Okay, this is my view now. I want my yoke visible. It can move, very good. Brakes off. Wait. Oh, wow. It's a bit loud. You want there to be a troll? Oh, thank you, Fluff, for the host. Thank you so much. Okay, so we keep going straight and then turn right. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh, I missed the nose wheel tiller probably. No, it's already here. Good, let's go. So the props, a bit more of props. I have all the mixture. Perfect. Ooh, Chevy. Hello, my dearest. Ooh, slow, baby. Okay, so I need more props. Wait. Can you brake, please? Okay. Okay, no reversers, very good. Oops. Why is this keep bothering me? Why is this? What is this? Why is this happening, guys? I don't know. Ah, that's nice. RVS not ready. What is the RVS? Wow, there you go. That's it. I don't know. Give me mixture. Mixture is rich. Yes, it is. This isn't the Beaver. I know. I was thinking about buying it today, but I then uploaded to. I've actually upgraded to 1040. And look at this, guys. Look. Was you might be happy to see this. The extended DSF scenery. Oh yes. And you know what? I want 82. Why not? We're using 1 gig of VRAM. Come on, man, use more. Show us what you can do. Okay, let's go. Yes, this is okay. 800 feet a minute, it's okay. And oh, the heading. I want to set the proper heading to this one. All right, let's go. We need to turn right. Oh shit. Okay, this is really loud though. Wait. No, I don't think you can control it like this. Extended pitch. So, sorry guys, it's very loud here. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. I think this is because of open anal. Again, even on Windows, open anal is a bitch. I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna stay inside most of the time, I guess. Still waiting for the 1040 Steam update. Oh, it's not updated on Steam yet. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go there. Oh wow, man, not too fast, yeah? Okay, so the pitch is set. You can lower the volume on the little low, the left side of the screen. Really? You have a volume here? Where is it? Wait, I tried to look at it, but I can't find it. I have the field of view, and I thought there was the volume. I thought the Carenado had a button somewhere where you could lower the volume. And I think wait, maybe I know. Maybe I know. Wait. Yes, that's the one. Look, guys, this is the one. This little fucker here. Yeah. Good. So, let me see, That's okay. Beautiful. That's the one, guys. Okay. On the knob. It's on the knob, yes. Okay, let's go, guys. Props. Wait. First of all, I'm gonna line up, and then I'm gonna set the props to max. My god, this is fast. It's a fast little, I can call it a fast little beaver, but I'm gonna get the beaver, Chevy, don't worry. Is the inner wheel above the top GPS? Yes, exactly. Thank you. Yes. All right, guys, let's go. Basically, we take off. What's the heading now? North. So we basically have to turn right. Okay. Right. So props, max. 3, 2, 1, go. Torque is gonna be set at something like this. Yeah, I don't wanna, do too much because I think this is more than enough. I can probably turn the volume a little more up. That's okay. And gently pull. And we're airborne. Born. Get up. Okay, you gotta. Okay. Start pitching a bit. Okay, the pitch is set. Alright. A little less prop maybe. And keep going, baby. Nice. I like it, man. The performance overall, man, is beautiful, was. Can you see it? Can you tell? I hope you can tell from the stream, man. Because I've also increased the bandwidth tonight. Now there is still the little micro freezes, but we're gonna hopefully appreciate the extended DSF tonight. Let's see. Keep turning. 120. Pitch a little less, please, and keep the speed. And I'm gonna raise the flaps now. Yeah. Flaps up. Bit of pitching, and we're okay. Not even too much pitching. Nice. 1900 RPM is climb RPM. Oh, thank you. Thank you, my dearest. 1900. There you go. Thank you very much, Abby. There you go, see? Little less pitch, and we should be okay. And we're gonna go on. We're approaching Copenhagen on FlyJSim. Nice, Nispi, very nice. Good luck. Good luck, sir. Okay, so blah blah blah. Going down quite nicely, I have to say. 9 miles. Wow, looks much closer actually. I'm not sure. Flaps. Flaps approach. Oh boy. That's probably not a good idea. Why is he doing this? Ah, okay. Okay, that's a good speed already. Alright, 7 miles. Oh, nice. This is, wow, man, thank you. I love this song, Flaps. It's a good song to land, I think, to land with. And it's a good song to take the plane manual. Let's go. Now, let's see. Yeah. Let's see what I can do here. How do you request a song? Oh, there are instructions, MLG. There are instructions. Have to set some aileron trim. Man, I love this song. I don't know what is it. I don't know what is it of it, but I actually like it a lot. Gear down, please. I think these are already flaps I can land with. Isn't it? Alright, I don't know the wind. Oh, 4 knots, yes. Not a lot. Sorry, a little less. Oh, there's a balloon. People of the balloon, go away. We're landing. You bastards. Go away. Oh, Pedro, hello, my dearest. Ciao, Pedro. Great to see you too, sir. Great to see you too. Lovely to see you too, sir. Okay, go in there, guys. Getting in. A bit low, but that's okay. I want to stay lower, because my problem is always the opposite, so let's do this now. 120. Maybe a little less power, yeah? Here we go. People of the balloon, stop immediately. Ah. Down, baby. Down, 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 down. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, that was a very slow landing, and I still cannot vacate. Beautiful. But we're gonna do the YOLO hookah, and then we'll vacate whenever we want. There you go. Because that's where we want to vacate, and that's where we will. Alright, hello people. Sorry, gonna cross this place and get to my hangar, which is... oh, I don't know. Which way? Which way would you go in Anchorage, guys, when you land on runway 15? Probably to the left we should go. Flare was not, yeah. The flare is not bad, isn't it? I think, oh, gimme choco. Okay, so replay with gimme choco, absolutely. Come on. Yeah, from the tower. Yes, come on. Hey Jaron, all good baby, all good, thank you for asking. Let's see the mega flare. Okay, there you go. No, it was a balloon. Yeah. Thank you, MLG. Come on. Oh yeah, come on. The mega float. Yeah, look, look, look. Oh, oh, yay. We did the balloon, yes. But we did a bit of a YOLO drift maybe, or a YOLO hookah, let's see. That was okay, guys. So, which is the gate? Let me see. Oh! Loudy, loudy, baby. We need to go to the right. Let's go. Enter. North. Wow, that's a nice one. Number 2. Neon. West. Oh, another one. Nice. 3. Mark. North. Number 4. Gefar. 54128. East. Ooh, wow. East, baby. Yep. And the airport as the last one. Actually, no. We're gonna leave this without the airport. Oh, there you go. It's going down. Seven, very good. It's now aligning. Okay, guys, so let's start planning something here. 33,000 here. Sorry, 30. 30. Okay, so raises the main, custom the lines. Oops. Okay. I think I can start the engines with the Siva. Yeah. Okay, let's start the engines, guys. Turn on this. These guys. Fucks off, please. And let's go with the engines, baby. Come on. Number 1. Here we go. Sounds, a little more engines, please. And we have navigation lights, beacon, and that's it. Beautiful. And so far, so good. Number 1 is starting. We also give you 3, 2, 1, rainbow time, baby. Yay! The rainbow hype is really once again on YOLO Air. Yay! Woo! Ooh, Mamo, thank you. Lovely song. I still have to find the right balance for the sounds on this plane, unfortunately. So you don't hear all what you can hear. But anyway, number 2. Hey, Gazmir. Yay! The rainbow hype, yes! And now we have the emote. Okay. Fuel, please. I should change the graphic to be a real rainbow. You're absolutely right. I'm gonna ask Flap if he can do it. Flap is the official customizer. Customizer. Oh, what's the QNH in Anchorage? 2962. Oh, perfect. Okay. And number 3, please. He was thirsty. 5, okay. So, little Siva lesson. When you get to 5 minutes down the countdown here, well, not 5 minutes, but the 5 to the level 5, the green light turns on, and that means that that means you're already good to go to navigate. But we're gonna wait a little more before set to nav. Gonna finish doing some things in the cockpit, in the decrypt, sorry. And then we'll, yeah, for example, the V card for takeoff, flaps 5. Oh boy. Flaps 15, I guess. Yes. 144. Actually, is this a bad speed for to take off, guys? 152? I don't think so. I don't think so. Flaps 5, I prefer this. So, flaps 5. Iced is jelly. What is it? Rainbows? Ooh! Uh-oh. Oh boy. Yes, didn't you know? And we also have the YOLO love, you know? I have to thank Uni again. Thank Uni. Thank you very much. But I don't know. I will let the chat reveal or not. No. I don't. We don't have a sub button. It's much easier and much freer than that. I think people will tell you. The chat will tell you. It's actually all into it's into a program really, but it's quite cool that they allow it to do it. Anyway, flaps are already set to 5. Very good. The pitch is set. The engines are started. Okay. Hey Edvis. Hello sir. Give me a couple more lights, please. For example, the taxi. Yeah. The strobe. Yeah, I like the strobe. I know, I shouldn't now, but it's okay. And now, set this to flight mode, please. Set this to flight on. Close this. And that should be okay. Yeah, I don't need this. Blah, blah, blah. Off with the APU, thank you very much. And on with the pressure. Okay. I think everything is set to go. Yeah, should be good to go. Yep. So this is set to 5 to 3 now. So we can go to already in nav mode. Okay. And this will progressively lose his how can I say lose its precision. Okay. But and we can also align it during flight with the DME. But I don't know if I can do it, if I want to do it. Anyway, we'll move this to nav, and we're good to go. Distance to the first waypoint is 375 miles, and we're gonna use the SIVA mostly for the wind rather than this. But anyway, let's go. Outside, please. Nice and pretty. Now the runway. Ooh, look, there's a runway behind. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so power back with the tail on the left. Oh wow, G-Track, thank you. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, taxi song is gonna be a beautiful one.
Left no time.
Okay, let's go. Power back. Tail on the left. Brakes off. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Let me just check that I don't have a warning. Okay.
Get on without my God.
Come on, baby, come on.
You went back to what you know so far.
Hello, bye bye, Anchorage. It's been beautiful. Thank you.
And I tread a troubled track. My heart stand.
Beautiful. Bye bye, Anchorage.
Back to black. We only said goodbye with a word. I died 100 times.
All right, let's go.
Go back to her, and I go back to her. I go
Hate those square buttons that have rotated around during the plane's life.
I love you more.
Oh man. Okay, let's see.
It's not enough. You love blow, and I love puff.
Nice, okay. So, ooh, I need some flight direction as well. So let me set this to SIVA, auxiliary, and IIS hold, and arm this. Thank you. We should turn here. Wow. Oh, Amy.
We only said goodbye with a word. I died 100 times. You go back to her, and I go back to black.
So that's it, yes.
Black.
This is it. Alright boys, are you ready? What time is it? Is 2012 UTC here, but in the game is a bit more than... okay, that's fine. The flaps are set, the pitch is set, the speed brakes are armed. I need to lower a bit the bass here, because it's only for my mixer. I need to upgrade my mixer actually, to upgrade the quality, because it sucks with the bass. Alright, lights on. Right, let's go. So 259 is the direction, so we basically go straight. 3, 2, 1, go.
We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times.
Wow. Hear this?
You go back to her, and I go back.
Maybe 210, maybe. There you go.
80 knots.
Thank you, sir. Gonna stay around 210 EPR, okay. We need a lot of power. And we're heavy, so I need to remember that. Why is the lines not straight? What the fuck?
Rotate.
Okay, gentle rotate. Rotate, baby. Right. Get up. Did I drag the tail again? No. Again? Hey freak. Hello my dearest. No. Did I drag the tail again? Oh no, I didn't. Okay, lock. 3, 2, 1. Noise. Okay, pitching. Leaving anchorage. Okay, flaps 2. Here we go, boys. Runway painter was drunk. I don't know, so I didn't drag the tail, thankfully. And flaps up. Nice. Is the power okay? Let me see. Yes. Okay. Intercepting the radial. Very good. Keep it manual for now. Okay. Yes, is still fine. Very nice. It's been a while we don't get weather. Even before the tragedy, the iMac tragedy, the Apple incident. Absolutely, that's what we do. Indeed. Thank you, Frick. Yes. So I have to say that this extended DSF is truly remarkable. Look at this. The Norwegian blue. Remarkable bird. Lovely plumage. Look at this. Oh, freeze. Okay. Skymax. God damn you. Man, they need to... okay, I don't like to say stuff like they need to fix and shit, because, you know, that sounds too much like bitching. But the thing is, it could be optimized, probably. The way it loads the clouds, it could be optimized. Oh, what a nice song. Wow, beautiful. Lovely. Thank you, Waz. Lovely for the scenery. Just a matter of how much frames it will eat for you. Shall I look? Okay, let me show you the frames that we have at the moment. I don't think there's many, to be honest, but probably enough. Well, no, there is a lot, 50. But we're high up in altitude, so it's good for this card. Let's see. Hopefully so. Hopefully so. I think at least if he reduces the loading times, then yes. We still have to try with properly. I don't know if this is HD Mesh 3. I have downloaded some HD Mesh actually. Buy 98. Wow, look at this, man. But I don't think you need SLI really. You don't need SLI with S-Plane because I don't think it supports it, isn't it? Wow, 60 frames even. Wow. Again, you don't get this on a scenery by Aerosoft, by the way. Don't worry. Even with this card. Exactly. X-Plane would even use the second GPU. But yeah. I know this card can handle SLI, but I don't think. Who said it was? Good point. Good point there. Good point. Yeah, no, I have to say that Nvidia did. Wow, this is amazing. I think it heats up a lot. I can tell you. Okay, you wanna cool it down properly. But yeah, this is what you get really. I'm gonna disable this though. I don't really like this, man. I really don't. Okay, here we go. Man, I fucking love this song. I don't know. But thank you. Thank you for your patience. We go back to Nightbot. Ah, so good. So good, man. So good. Okay, so skip this. Go. Ooh. Nice. Let's see, Jack. Can we add an outer view? Absolutely, you can. You should use please the next time airplanes, but that's fine. I'll do it for you. I like very good manners, you know. I'm a bit of an old school boy. I'm sorry, but I like my manners. Let's see. Come sail away. Okay. Nice. I hope the volume increases because I'm at the top at the moment. Come on, guys, come on. Thank you, airplane. We have this livery. I'll give you more liveries as well. Styx is very epic. Yes, I agree. I have a few songs by them. Oh, Renegade. I love Renegade. Oh, yeah. I'll play it after this. Renegade, I love. Yes. Wait. I'm sorry. You've already. Sorry, nerd, but you've already. Yes. Oh, I love that. Okay, I should get it. Okay, we have a bit of freezing again. Man, as long as it doesn't crash, that's okay. You know? And it doesn't do it on landing. If it does this on landing, I'm gonna smash. No, I'm gonna punch the monitor probably. I don't know. No. More liveries. The retro livery, beautiful one. Reminding what X-Plane is. We have Panam, not bad. Aer Lingus, beautiful. Alaska. Oh yeah, come on. This is beautiful. I'm gonna keep this for a while. Which is the winner? Craiolo, yes! Craiolo air! Let's go with Craiolo. Craiolo, okay. Oh, the yellow bird. Very nice. Try and check in 4 Cirrus layer. I will. Wait. Where is the Craiolo? Ah, there you go. Okay, so SkyMax. Force off. Bastard. Fuck off, Cirrus layer. Try disabling SkyMax. Maybe I should. Also, yeah, I will use Alitalia in soon. But the Craiolo Airlines is also very nice. Okay, let's see. And thank you, Wasgov. Thank you, my dearest. I'm sure we'll be able to optimize the shit out of this. I'm sure. How's the speed? Ooh, nice. Yes. Yeah, unfortunately, I am addicted to this. I have to admit. Yeah, I should probably. Can I ask for an option at least? Another option? I mean, can SkyMax be the only fucking... Sorry my language. Can it be the only one at the moment that generates better clouds than the default one? Come on. Disabling SkyMax? Exactly. SkyMax is what we live on. You know, but it would be nice to have another one to try. That's terrain down there, very nice. Wing one view. We could probably go towards flaps 1, because I think we're not that far away, although I don't have any idea. But yeah, visually looks like we're not too far away, so we can try and go down to flaps 1, which I always forget. 245, 230. Right. Nice, lovely terrain. Oh, there you go. So a bit on the right, and then we're gonna capture... Oops. What the hell am I doing? Stop, man. Stop doing that. Okay. Maybe we can do that. Let's see. Yes, it's intercepting it now. And flaps come to 2. I'm gonna stay around 200. I should be about 15 miles out. Nice. So that's okay. We can stay around 200, I think. A little less, maybe. And flaps 5. Oh, don't climb. Don't. Ah, well, look. So this is, yeah, it climbs to get to intercept the glide slope. I should remember that. The DC-9 does the same. But that's okay, I don't really care. Flaps are 5. We're at 200. I'm gonna stay at 200. Maybe I should stay at 300, at 3000, and then intercept stuff. Ah, that's okay. We're climbing a bit, don't worry. Okay, maybe we can stop now though. No, you don't control it. Okay, you know what? Stay there. Do whatever you want. Lock before ILS, yes. That's, forgot about it, sorry. Ah, well, we're just not climbing like 1,000 feet a minute, so that's okay. Yeah. Lock before ILS. Okay, but now he's alive, so it stopped climbing, thankfully. Could have stayed, yeah, 3,000, 4,000 even. It is also late. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no. So I don't even know which kind of landing we're gonna do. It's gonna be a full stop, guys, because I need to rush to bed. Kinda, but... the lights are on. Yes, the speed brakes are armed. Okay. We are almost intercepting this guy, so we're gonna reduce a bit to 200, a little less. Less power. Hey, trailer, hello. You forget it as well, you know? That's it, Flap. Sometimes it happens. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use some speed brakes even. Just to make sure I'm slowing down as I want, because I want to be at 180 now. We're quite close, you know? So before we go down, there you go. Yes. Beautiful. And now you can intercept and go down. Okay. Beautiful. Flaps are still 5. I think by the time we'll start intercepting, in time for the best part, probably. We'll see. Okay. And flaps 15, please. We should also start going down. Yes. All right. Gear down. We have the gear down now, yes? And no need for gear, no. Okay, so give me the plane, please. Thank you. We have the plane. Little less, okay. Right. Flaps 20. Okay. Wow, bit low, that's okay. We like low. We like staying low. Yes, that's okay. But the guy's gonna bother me now. Wait. Okay, that's fine. Ah, there you go. Don't worry. Yes, I know. But I'm gonna stay low. I know what I'm doing. Don't worry. And flap 30. Here we go, guys. Oh, placebo. Here we go. Yeah, a bit hard. Still a bit hard. It's a very long runway. That's very nice. Brake. 80. Brake. Low and slow. That's what you want. It wasn't too bad. It was a bit hard, but yeah. We landed at least. We're on the ground. Brake. Let's get this. not too shabby. Stop, 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 stop. Brake, 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 brake. Vacate, vacate, vacate. Thank you. That's not hard, you think? Well, at least we don't have the plugin telling me. The railway sound is amazing. Yes, it is. It is. I agree. And welcome to Kamchatka. We should have a scenery here, yes? Yes, to our left. 2010, need to eat. See a quick pizza in the future. Buonanotte. Ciao, freak. Thank you, my dearest. I'm gonna watch the replay now and see. Oh, let me see. Better on the ground than in the ground. Absolutely. The sounds are actually part of the plane, man, so they're in the plane already. Oh, we need to go left. Okay, that's where the terminal. It's a small one, isn't it? Oh, maybe no, it's front of us. Oh, I remember this scenery now. Yes, it's in front of us. Let's see the replay, and then we'll all go to bed or to their respective dinners and everything. Oh yeah, the tower is very far away here, but that's okay. We can watch the... No, you know what? We'll watch a replay from the wing one view. The dick pit first. No, not first, but as we go down, and then the wing one view first, with the terminal on the right. Okay, go, 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 go. There you go. So that's the first replay with the nice mountain to our right. Very nice. Let's go. No AM or PM. Yes, exactly. It's very good. And again, Freak, thank you so much. Thanks for watching until now. Thank you so, so much. Have a fantastic pizza. See you very soon. Here we go. Boom. Probably wasn't too hard, probably. I don't know. Didn't look to me. And let me see from the kerosene plane spotter view. Here we go. Let's go. It's a sit down, isn't it? Right, let's see this. Oh, I like this song. Not the perfect center, but wow, yeah. We touched it, definitely. Again, once again. It's a pity that we don't hear all the reverse sounds here. Would be nice to hear them, really. Oh no, what did I do? Okay. Well, thankfully, so this is the good things of an SSD, probably, because we can go up and back and forth, hopefully, without crashing it. I don't know. Will we be able to? Please, please, please do. Please do. Thank you, Mama. I would like to see another one, but I don't know if I can. Tell me there is reloading everything. No way, that is gonna not crash. No, it has to crash. Wait. Stop. Go here. Okay, wait. Save the replay. You can't. I can't. Oh, there you go. Man, it works. It works. Oh, it's so good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, man, this is so good. So on the Mac, this would have crashed like 4 times. 4 times. Radagast wins, man. Radagar is winning, my god. Runway front view. Isn't this the front view, please? Yeah? No? File, save, replay. Can you? Really? No way. Ah. Radagast. During landing too. Isn't this what you want, USI? I don't know. This is the runway. This is the... Ah, no, I don't want this song. This is the runway front view, I think. Isn't it? Yes. More sounds. Ah. No. You freeze here, you bastard. Don't worry, we'll do it again. Maybe from here. And slowing down. Ah, okay. Okay. So let me see if I get what you mean, sir. USI. Okay, you want to do something like this, maybe. Let's see. Okay, I'm not unhappy about this landing. Not too unhappy. You want to do something like this, probably. Wait. Boom. Ah, look at that sexy flexy baby. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, the last one from far away, like you would do if you were sitting here. I just never do this actually, but let's try. Ah, here we go. Last and let's go. Like you're here with your camera, you know, click, 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 click. Man, how beautiful is this plane? Ah, boom. Nice. Yes, maybe it's my sound settings, I don't know. But I don't think it's easy in X-Plane to hear actually the reverses from this distance. That's what I think. Because otherwise, you know, there's